Hey everyone, happy Monday, June 22nd, and welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Sella, and let's get into the week ahead on the markets. And like always, today's episode is brought to you by AMF Capital Asset Management Frankfurt. Learn more at amf-capital.de. Let's dive in. Let's start with inflation. On Thursday, we'll get the latest reading of the Personal Consumption Expenditures Price Index, or PCE, which is the Federal Reserve's preferred inflation measure. Unlike some other inflation gauges, the PCE captures a broader range of spending and relies heavily on business surveys, making it particularly important for policymakers. The last reading showed inflation running at 3.8% year-over-year in April. That's well above the Fed's 2% target and the highest level in 3 years. Why does this matter? Well, just last week, the Federal Reserve surprised markets with a more hawkish tone. Policymakers indicated they may still need to raise interest rates before 2027 if inflation remains stubbornly high. So Thursday's report could play a major role in shaping expectations for future rate decisions. Beyond inflation, investors will also be watching the artificial intelligence story very closely. On Wednesday, semiconductor company Micron Technology will report earnings. The company has become one of the biggest beneficiaries of the AI boom, thanks to its memory chips that power data centers and AI infrastructure. Investor enthusiasm has been extraordinary. Micron's market value has climbed to roughly $1 trillion, and the stock has surged more than 800% since the start of the year. As a result, markets will be looking not only at earnings, but also at what management says about AI demand, data center spending, and the outlook for the industry. So in short, this week is all about inflation data on Thursday and a major AI earnings report on Wednesday. Both could have a meaningful impact on market sentiment as investors continue to assess the outlook for interest rates and economic growth. All right, that's it for today's Capital Markets Quickie. If you found today's episode helpful, hit subscribe and stay in the loop. And if you want more insights, just add me on LinkedIn or Instagram. Always happy to connect. See you tomorrow morning.